Design and customize your 3D space with Metasteps. Once you are done with the space layout, it's time to make it uniquely yours with the following tools. Personalize with paint tools. Apply materials like metal, wood, tiles, or marble to customize surfaces and props. Click once to apply and again to deactivate. Add custom wallpapers or use the color palette to tint walls and objects. The inspection tool is always accessible when you select a surface or prop with an applied paint tool. Here you can adjust tiling and offset settings for precise pattern control and customization of the texture's position. Set the mood with environment tools. Choose skyboxes to transform your environment and add ambient music for an immersive feel. Whether you are aiming for a bright sunny daylight or a moody twilight scene, skyboxes affect both lighting and surface reflections. Decorate with props. Access a library of props like furniture, plants, and banners. You can resize, recolor, and adjust their textures to match your theme. Get creative, have fun, and when you are ready, go to step 3 to add content.